Here's India in the last 24 hours. Air India reported a fuel control switch defect on one of its Boeing 787 Dreamliner aircraft. After a flight on February 2nd, India will now monitor inspections of this issue at Boeing's facility in the United States. In Uttar Pradesh, the Supreme Court is examining claims that Uttar Pradesh police infiltrated and incited violence during a workers' protest in Noida to protect companies from wage theft complaints. An activist's husband was arrested across multiple cases and faces serious charges for participating in the labor agitation. In Uttarakhand, Bhuvan Chandra Khanduri, the former chief minister of Uttarakhand and a senior BJP leader, has passed away at age 91 following a prolonged illness. An Indian assistant protocol officer named Narendra was found dead inside the High Commission building in Chittagong, Bangladesh on Tuesday morning. The exact cause of death is being determined through autopsy. In Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal's police commissioner says the post-mortem found no signs of drug use in Twisha Sharma's case. He is treating her death as suicide rather than murder. Marco Rubio, the U.S. Secretary of State, arrives in India on May 23 for a 4-day visit focused on strengthening ties in trade, defense, and energy cooperation. Tamil Nadu. Nadu's government will stick to its two-language policy of Tamil and English in schools, rejecting any three-language formula. The education minister made this clear after the union ministry recently reminded the state about implementing a new national school scheme. In Delhi, Russian President Putin and Chinese President Xi Jinping are likely to attend the BRICS summit in New Delhi on September 12 and 13. Xi's visit would be his first to India since 2019, marking a significant moment as ties stabilize after the 2020 border standoff. Bihar's chief minister has launched Sahyog Shivir, a monthly grievance redressal camp at Panchayat level, to resolve people's complaints within 30 days. Officials who fail to process applications within the deadline will face automatic suspension. Trinamool Congress candidate Jahangir Khan withdrew from the Falta Assembly seat election in West Bengal on Tuesday, citing Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari's development package for the area. Repolling in the constituency is scheduled for May 21.